Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious blueberry lemon bundt cake. Now I have to be honest with you, I made a mistake in the size of the bundt pan that I used. In the original recipe when I tested it, I used a smaller pan, and then when I made this I used a bigger pan. So this is going to be the world's shortest bundt cake, but either way it's delicious. You don't need anything specific. If you do not have a bundt pan, just use a regular square pan and it'll be just as delicious. And yeah, I just want you to know that I make mistakes, everybody makes mistakes, and it's okay as long as it tastes good and it's edible, then we are in business. So if you want to see exactly how this comes together, make sure you keep on watching. Alrighty, so in here I have flour, baking powder, and some salt. You're going to need eggs, milk, sugar, butter at room temperature, zest of a lemon, vanilla, and then blueberries. You're also going to want to grease a bundt pan, and preheat your oven to 350. Don't mind that, it's getting cleaned. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is just mix my dry ingredients roughly, to kind of get it all incorporated together. And then I'm going to take a little bit and I'm going to put the dry ingredients, just a little, into my blueberry mixture. Kind of toss it all in there, and this is going to help your blueberries from not floating to the bottom when you bake them. So I'm going to set this aside and we're going to start making the wet ingredients. So grab my handheld whisk. You can do this with the electric mixer if you want. I just don't feel like doing that. I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar together, and then I'll meet you here. Alright, nicely combined. I'm going to go ahead and add in one egg at a time. There we go. Mix it in and then add the other egg. Alright, my arm is very sore, but these are nicely mixed in. And then I'm going to do a splash of vanilla. Ooh, a little too much, that's okay. I'm going to do my lemon zest. And I would say about a teaspoon or so, or I don't even know. I really don't measure. I just kind of do the zest of like one medium-sized lemon. I like the freshness that it gives you with the blueberries. It's just such a great combination. So I really don't think you should miss out on this step. Alright, I think that is good for me. There we go. Sorry. Give this a nice zhuzh. Final step for the wet is the milk. Alright, so gradually I'm just going to add in the dry. Oops. Let me move this so you can see. So I'm going to just add it in, whisk it in, and then fold in the other half, or whisk in, whatever you want. Alright, so the dough can seem pretty tough, but don't you worry, it's going to be fine, and it's going to rise quite a bit too. I'm going to add in my blueberries. Just fold those in so that they don't... Alright, so my dough is in my bundt pan. Two things. The dough is pretty tough, so you might have to use your fingers to kind of move it a little bit. Second thing, my honey bunny just pointed out to me that I used a smaller bundt pan when I initially made this to test it. So it's obviously, you could see there's a lot of space. It's fine. It's going to be just as delicious. I'm not worried about it. If you have a smaller bundt pan, use that. You can also use just a regular baking pan. Whatever you have, it doesn't necessarily have to be a bundt pan. That's just that. If you want, you can also put a little bit of icing over this when it's done, or powdered sugar, whatever you like. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to put this into my preheated oven, which you should already have preheated at 350 for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until it's fully cooked through. And then you're just going to let it cool a little bit, flip it, and then you can garnish it however you want, with powdered sugar, with icing. I have so many icing recipes that you will be fine. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for spending your time with me. Make sure you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.